Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring power and space so the update runs without interruption. First, plug into a charger or confirm battery is at least 50%. Updates can stall on low power. Next, free up about 5 GB of storage or enable iCloud backup to avoid errors when downloading files. Finally, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because larger updates require consistent bandwidth. Once done, open Settings and go to General Software Update to check for the new iOS. You'll now download and prepare the installation. Tap Download and watch the progress indicator in Settings so you know it's moving. Once the download completes, agree to the terms and choose Install Now or Install Tonight. Installation can restart the device, so save work first. If prompted, enter your passcode. This verifies you. To avoid manual updates later, enable automatic updates. This schedules overnight installs when your device is charging and locked, which reduces interruptions while keeping iOS current. You'll finish by confirming the update and resolving issues if needed. After the restart, check Settings General About to verify the iOS version and review any new settings prompts. Follow them to complete setup. If the update freezes or fails, force restart your device, then attempt the update again. This clears transient issues. If problems persist, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore or update the device. That often resolves deeper software conflicts and gets you back to a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.